The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Please contact a professional when it comes to your financial needs. Back at it again for another week. The rundown for cryptocurrency, December 6th, 2025. Let's go. As always, we're never going to put ourselves in a position of giving out financial advice or what you should do. But we are going to point out some things. In particular, today we're talking about XRP. The last time the price of XRP was this low was back in April. It was like $1.96 per token. Then about 3 or 4 months after that, we saw a massive rally, got up to about $3.56 per token. Very good return if you bought low. Now, at that time, back in April, I think I had around 200 XRP tokens just playing around with it on this channel. And I tell you, watching those kind of returns come in on any amount of money is always a good feeling. So you want to be able to position yourself well to make sure that you can take advantage of these things. I'm not saying get yourself in a position to bet the house and something happens. No, but keep an eye on it. And if you're looking to make a good run at it, maybe this is one of those things you want to take a look at. And here's some of the reasons why I say to do that. Community sentiment or the general consensus is that XRP is about to rally, and we're looking at sometime before Christmas if this pans out. Now, a lot of this information is just subjective to the feelings and whims of the overall public. You can factor that into your decision making, but be careful of trying to read too much into the tea leaves. What I'm basing this theory on is based off of past performance. It's always made good money for me at this time of year, leading into April before tax time. This would be a good time to buy low if you are so inclined to do so. No matter the commodity, always look at trends. That's something that I would recommend that any investor do. At this point in time, my thing is to always brush up on the fundamentals. Make sure that you are keeping in touch with all of your exchanges, whatever vehicle you're using to buy your crypto or your stock, and make sure you know how to get in and out of a buy, whether you're doing market buys or limit buys. Now, I always recommend doing limit buys. And limit buys are just so that if things drop to a particular point, I want to make sure I don't miss out. So have that money set aside already and automatically pop off. Now, as that chart was looking at, you can look at maybe about $2.20. That kind of an increase is something that I would get excited about. I want to make sure that for every token I have invested, I want to make sure that it gets a certain return. You may just want to hold it. It could go up again to its all-time highs, but again, this is all subjective. And you should always contact your financial advisor before getting into anything like this. Make sure you're taking this into account. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you thought, and I'll talk to you later.